Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali Rizky Arashi. I am the student of Master of Science on Tropical Animal Health, collaboration between ITM, Antwerp, Belgium, and University of Pretoria, South Africa. I would like to present my thesis protocol with thesis title Trematodiosis in Livestock in Indonesia, Systematic Review and Meta-Analysis. My supervisor is Prof. Pierre Dorny, Dr. Veronique Dermo, and Dr. Fajar Satria. The introduction. Indonesia has many studies related with rheumatoid worm infection in livestock, from detect and control management studies, response studies, and also economic analysis. Literature studies about the trematodiosis occurrence in livestock are still missing. The need for systematic review to see the distribution of trematodiosis occurrence and identification of environmental factors that affect and characterize infected livestock. Aim of my study is to assess the spatial distribution of trematodiosis occurrence in livestock, to identify the environment factor that affect the trematodiosis like agroclimate, rainfall, temperature, topography, water source, Nile habitat, or the intermediate host habitat, and characterize the livestock infected with trematode. I'm using the PRISMA guideline to do the systematic review. The objective is to mapping the spatial distribution of trematodiosis in livestock Indonesia using available study literature to identify the environmental factor and also to characterize the livestock infected by trematode worm. The study design using the preferred reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis PRISMA, time frame from 1 January 1995 to 31 March 2020, and the next step to the systematic review. The next steps to the systematic review is preparing the review, searching the research studies, selecting the studies, collecting data and creating evidence table, assessing methodological quality, synthesizing the data or doing the meta-analysis, presenting data and result, and also interpreting and drafting conclusion. I show you the concept of systematic review that I take from a website from Cochrane. This is the pictures. The first step is preparing the review. The first is to develop the review protocol. I need to identify the research question. The first is how is the spatial distribution of trematodiosis, what the environmental factor, and what is the characterization of livestock infected by trematode. Develop eligibility criteria. Duplicated data should be excluded, and also the method. And second is setting the logistic to doing the review. The time frame from 1st January 1995 to 31 March 2020. I use software RStudio or Stata 16, and for spatial mapping, I use QuantumGIS and ArcGIS. And also the budget estimation. My budget estimation is no need consumable material, but I prepare for purchase the raw data from environmental data or also from research data. And the second from travel visit and also local transport. The estimation is only 600 until 800 euro. The step 2, searching for research studies, collect the information sources from published and unpublished scientific studies, national and international, using Gray literature, PubMed, and many others, search strategy, using Boolean strategy, managing reference, and also documentation or reproducibility. The step 3 is selecting the studies, the screening the checklist, eligibility criteria, conducting way to reviewers. The studies I selected is related with trematodiosis occurrence in all regions in Indonesia country, and the second is trematodiosis including all species of trematode worm will be selected and collected. Selected inclusion and exclusion criteria. The inclusion criteria is everything that study must have in order to be included in our review, and exclusion criteria are the factors that would make a study ineligible to be included in our review. Number 4 is collecting data and creating the evidence table, characteristics that affect the external applicability, collecting study result, like point estimate, estimate the variability, sample size, proportion, and also tool for documenting and reporting using standardized data collection form. The step 5, the assessing methodological quality of the included studies. We need to assess the degree of bias using the standardized assessment of bias and occasionally exclusion. And step 6 is synthesizing the data from included studies. It means doing meta-analysis. I will use the quantitative synthesis of the estimate. Step 7 is presenting data and result. Selection of studies from trematodosis occurrence in livestock and characteristic of data from trematodosis, also bias, and synthesize the result from meta-analysis. The step 8 is interpreting result and drawing conclusion. Summarize of main findings and conclusion and make the thesis completed. My hypothesis, the first is to mapping the spatial distribution. The null hypothesis is the spatial distribution of trematodosis occurrence has never been mapping using study literature. The alternative hypothesis is spatial distribution of trematodosis occurrence in livestock in Indonesia can be mapping using study literature. My second hypothesis is the environment factor affecting trematodosis occurrence in livestock have not been identified in study literature. The alternative hypothesis is at least some environmental factors affecting trematodosis occurrence in livestock in Indonesia have been identified in study literature. My third hypothesis is to characterize the livestock infected by trematode worm in Indonesia using available study literature. The null hypothesis is the livestock infected by trematode worm in Indonesia have not been characterized in study literature. The alternative hypothesis, at least the livestock infected by trematode worm have been characterized in study literature. This is the dependent and dependent variable from mapping, like dependent and independent. And the second variable of objective to identify the environmental factor that affect trematodosis from dependent and independent variable. This is the third of characterize the livestock infected by trematode worm. This is the dependent and the independent. The sampling and method size. The first is search to the published and unpublished study or scientific literature from scientific database in study period. The second, using search strategy with the keywords combined with Boolean operator with specific keywords. If possible, I will collect the raw data from selected scientific research and selection of studies, Cochrane risk of bias tool to minimize the risk of bias, and the duration of my research will be 20 years and 3 months, 1 January 1995 to 31 March 2020. The data analysis. The statistical analysis will use RStudio or Stata16, geographic mapping using Quantum GIS or ArcGIS. Two reviewers will conduct the analysis. The analysis will do, the first is data extraction, selected studies related with trematodosis from scientific database or research activities, inclusion exclusion criteria, and the second, analyze the quality of method and reporting. The third is descriptive analysis, and the fourth is spatial analysis for mapping. This is the spatial analysis. The objective is to visualize, describe, and explain. The spatial analysis I'm doing using the spatial autocorrelation and also nearest neighbor of spatial analysis to predict the area potentially at risk from high-risk area, and K-function for clustering. Okay, thank you very much for listening my thesis protocol. Hopefully you can enjoy and understand. Thank you very much and good afternoon.